Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Coding Hacks by Swayam. So today we have a GUI, a window that is being created using Tkinter, and we are going to soon launch the code, the basic, all the type, how we use the code and how we are going to use all the essentials for this code in our next video. So let's see what the practical is of this particular video. So here I have created a full folder like new application for the code. So these are the resources and these are the codes that I've used in my main code for the creation of the application. In the main code, we have just used all the things that we use to create a tkinter file, like a tkinter window. I want to create a tkinter window. I want to create something else. So all these have been, and all the other databases. If I have used a database program, I have used a game in this particular. Like I want to open a game using this tkinter window. So we have used a separate codes for that game and other Tkinter programs like the database program, which we are going to see in the video ahead. So let's open the main program. So I'll just open it using my PyCharm. So this is the whole code you can see. It's a big code, yeah. We can see it's a complex code if I are going to see. So we are going to explain the whole code in a upcoming video. So just I'll run this file. So it says with the video. So let me first tell you about the libraries that we have imported just for now. Like we have imported the Tkinter, that is the main one. Then the web browser to open the links through Google Chrome or any other web browser, default web browser. MySQL to connect the Python to a database program. And then we have the Tkinter message box in the file dialog box. Then we have the OS to open some applications or some codes that we really want. And Pygame, in this case, we have just used in this main file, we have just used Pygame for playing the background music. Like this code is just for the music in the background. Just this much code is used for Pygame. So we have just had to import a Pygame. Now I'll just run the file. So this is the main page, right? You can see the main page. Now, if I want to register login using a random name, let me take it as some name. Take something and enter a password and then click on login. It says invalid username and password because it's not registered in the register database program. So I'll just click on new user register now, or I can go to the same page using menu and then new user registration. So I'll just enter a name. Let me take it as what name should we take? Yeah, so I'll take Ravi Chauhan. Chauhan, and I take the username as Ravi C HA. Ravi CHA 12. Oh, sorry. Ravi CHA 123 and password. Let me take it as a smaller one. And then I take an email ID at the rate gmail.com. And then I put a mobile number and then I click on register. So it says registered successfully. So what all do we have in the menu? We have the open page. Like if I click on open and then I want to open any image, any source code, any PED, anything. So I just click on that and click on open. So this is the image. If I want to open, I go and open the code. So it gets open in the notepad. It's the notepad default file. So then I have the user. So it saves all the usernames that like I have just used this username for now, like this one. So it tells me about Ravi Chauhan, Ravi name, and the username. So it doesn't tell about the password because we have used that in the secret page just for me, for this case. And then we have the courses, like what courses we offer. Like we have the Python Tkinter GUI, Python Pygame, Java, HTML, C++, and MySQL. So this a GUI application is just to log in uh, another application for availing the courses that we want to see. Like it has the courses for the particular applications, like for Python, for GUI, for Java, for HTML, for other things that we have a course. For that, you need to make a login. You need to register for that course. And then in the login, we have this login and the my profile section. So here the name and other details will be displayed if you register. Like it has not been yet updated, so just change that. And then you have the database program. So in the database program and the overall calculator, the web page, the space invader, and the tank file, and these are the codes of these programs. So like if I click on database program, it shows me this. And if I go and click on the database, So here is it. So if I just create any random name, like let me take it as any random name, anything, just I type anything and then click on 55 and then I just choose an email ID, gmail.com, and then I click on register now. So it's tell me that your name is this, and your age is this. And when I click on the database program, database queries, it will tell me about what all usernames and what all data has been entered till date. So like if now I have entered this, and these all data has been entered just now, so it has come to the database query section. So this is about the output. And then we have other things also, the overall calculator. This is the code for the overall calculator. And for overall calculator, if I want to just enter any number, like I take 56 and I here take 6, and then I click on calculate. So it's addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, area. If this is the triangle, length and breadth, and the perimeter also, it all comes in a single click. It's just the overall calculator. And then we have the web page. Like I click on the web page button and then I see what the web page actually is about. So it is just a normal web page that I have created. So it's just that. And then if I go to just a second, it takes some time while shifting from other websites. Just take a few minutes. Let's close this and run it again because it takes some time for the PyCharm also, right? So I'll just run the file again. Yeah. So here, after you've seen the output, and we have some games that we are going to see in our upcoming videos because it will increase the length of the video. So then we have, I just registered for video, right? For Ravi CH123. I've taken that one, right? Oh, sorry, I'll just check the username. Just a second. It was Ravi CHA123. So I'll just enter one CHA123, and then I have to enter the password, and then I click on login. So it says successfully logged in. Okay. So and then I click on OK. So and then for now I have to register for a course. Like I want to avail for C++ course. So I'll just open this. I'll click on Ravi Chauhan Chauhan, and I have to enter the registered username that I had used earlier. Because if I let me just tell you, if I enter another username and password and then select my course, like I want to go for C++, and then click on new, any, I want a student ID 1245 or 12456, and then I have to re-enter 12456 and then click on OK. It says invalid username and password because it's already not registered. So if I change it now to the registered one, sorry for the double, Ravi CHA, oh, sorry, Ravi CHA, and then the password, and then click on OK. So if it says successfully register, you can avail your course from Learn section of the app. So I click on OK, the register button gets closed. In this way, if I click on me to get the data, I can see that the number of people who have registered for this. So like recently, Rahul 123, sorry, wait a second, yeah, Ravi 123 has registered for C++ program. Okay, so Ravi CHA12456 with student ID and name is Ravi Chauhan is available for C++. So I can get the list of students who are availing for the course and what course are they availing for. So for learn, I had selected for C++. So I'll just go and click on C++, and I can see that here is my course on YouTube. Like it just goes skip the ad, and here is the course. So you can easily avail for these kind of courses through the web application directly. It's a 4-hour course on YouTube, and then we have the coding hack by Swayam over here. Like it also gets opened. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the notification bell so you can get notification of my future videos. And then after this, yeah, so we have the exit button. We have learn for, if I want to again go for other course, I click on HTML, and I'll go for HTML and see that there is a 3-hour course for this too. Okay, so I'll just close this part. So this was all about the GUI window. Hope you liked the video and stay tuned because we are coming with the code soon. Bye bye. Thank you.